Now we start disassembling the pump head. The companion tool is an Allen wrench. Turn it counterclockwise to open the 6 screws. The pump head is disassembled successfully. The pump head opens, and inside is a diaphragm. Rotate the diaphragm counterclockwise with both hands. There is a gasket behind the diaphragm. The diaphragm is disassembled successfully. Now install the diaphragm. The smooth side of the gasket is close to the diaphragm. Turn the diaphragm clockwise until it fits inside the pump. The diaphragm has been successfully installed. Now install the pump head. There is an upward arrow on the cover of the pump head. The upward-facing arrow is the outlet. No, be careful not to reverse the direction. When installing the pump head, screw the screws diagonally. Fix the 6 screws first. Then use an Allen wrench to fix them diagonally. The pump head will be installed successfully.